Daddy. Here's a present for you.
Merry Christmas, Daddy. I got a present for you.
Okay, what are you going to sing? Sing it nice and loud.
Rudolph.
Okay, ready?
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you could say it glows. All of the other reindeers do identical names. They never let poor Rudolph join the reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say ho ho. Rudolph, if you're not so bright, put your eyes like the light. Without wages left him, and shot out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you got his story.
Great. Now, what one do you want to sing now?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
All right, Christmas song. What about?
I'm gonna do Jingle.
Okay.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. All my fun is your ride by the harvest sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all.
But go ahead, sing some more.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. All my fun is your ride by the harvest sleigh. Hey.
What about Deck the Halls?
Jingle all, jingle all, la 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 la. Tis the season to be jolly, la 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 la.
Excuse me.
La 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 la. I'll be finished for a while.
Let's do one more.
I don't want to.
But what about Partridge in a Pear Tree?
I don't want
Please, this is Daddy's Christmas present. Oh, wait. Go ahead.
I'm gonna do first and snowman, but really lovely soul. I don't want to
Sing. You forgot to sing. Santa Claus is coming.
Okay.
You.
Santa Claus is coming.
What about You Better Watch Out? Isn't that how it starts? You better watch out.
I'm gonna do it. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not cry. It'll tell you why. Santa Claus is coming.
You gotta do it louder.
This one's wet.
I'll try it again in a minute. He knows if you've been better. Where's your Papa Bear? Or Papa Clyde Bear? Oh yeah, and you gotta do Frosty the Snowman and then you'll be all finished. What about the one where Daddy likes it, where you say the teapot, where you sing the teapot song?
Teapot? The one in the puddle?
Yeah. Sing that one, you'll be finished then.
I'm a little snowman, short and stout. Here in my broomstick, here in my hat. When sun comes out, I melt away. Down. Oops, I'm a puddle.
Can I say Merry Christmas, Daddy?
Merry Christmas, Daddy.
I love you.
I love you.
Okay.